Good morning, students. Now I am going to explain chapter electricity, and today's content of this chapter is definition of 1 watt. Second, derive the relation between PV and IR, and third topic is commercial unit of power, that is known as kilowatt hour. Okay, and last topic of this chapter is domestic electric circuit. So we will start from first topic, that is definition of 1 watt and relation between watt, ampere and volt. Okay student, so let's start. And the definition of 1 watt is the power of an electric circuit is said to be 1 watt if 1 ampere of current flows in it against a potential difference of 1 volt. So students, you can understand by this statement 1 watt पावर कब होगा, जब उसमें पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस कितना होना चाहिए 1 वोल्ट, और उस टाइम करंट की वैल्यू कितनी होनी चाहिए 1 एम्पियर. ओके, नाउ वी विल पुट द वैल्यू. वी नो द फॉर्मूला P इज इक्वल टू VI and P will be 1 watt when potential difference will be 1 volt and current will be 1 ampere. So 1 into 1 1 and volt into ampere is equivalent to the watt. ओके स्टूडेंट, कोई आपका फ्रेंड है जो आंसर लिख रहा है 2 वॉट और आपका दूसरा फ्रेंड है वो लिख रहा है 2 वोल्ट एम्पियर. ठीक है, पावर की वैल्यू एक बच्चा लिखा है 2 वॉट और दूसरा बच्चा लिख रहा है 2 वोल्ट एम्पियर. तो दोनों का आंसर करेक्ट है बिकॉज वॉट इज द इक्विवेलेंट टू द वोल्ट एंड एम्पियर. Watt is the product of volt ampere. Watt is the product of volt ampere. आपके माइंड में होना चाहिए कि वॉट जो पावर की यूनिट है दैट इज इक्विवेलेंट टू द वोल्ट एम्पियर. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी स्टार्ट द डिराइव द रिलेशन बिटवीन P, V, I and R. We know that the work done by current in an electric circuit is known as power. Work done by an electric current, that is denoted by P is equal to W by T. And we also know that V is equal to W by Q, and third I is equal to Q by T, and fourth by Ohm's law. It is from Ohm's law. Okay students, by Ohm's law V is equal to IR. So this is the first equation, second equation, third equation, fourth equation. P is equal to W by T, V is equal to W by Q, I is equal to Q by T, V is equal to IR. मैं चारों इक्वेशन पहले ही एक्सप्लेन कर चुकी हूँ. ओके, सो वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 and 2. We get P is equal to W by T and V is equal to W by Q. Now we will put the value of W in this equation. Okay, here W will be V into Q. When we put the value in this equation, we get P is equal to VQ upon T, and we know that Q upon T is denoted as the electric current. So it will be P is equal to VI. Here we can say that power is the product of potential difference and electric current. It is the first relation. Okay, so we start the second relation. From this relation you can derive many relations. Firstly, we will write the P is equal to VI, and we know that by Ohm's law V is equal to IR. Okay, so I into I will be I square. It is a R. Here we can say that P is equal to I square R. It is the second relation. Third, again we will write the P is equal to VI. P is equal to VI. P is equal to VI. So okay, so P is equal to V, ऐसे ही रहेगा. Now we will put the value of I. V is equal to, आप क्या पढ़े हो बच्चों, IR. Here we can say that I is equal to V upon R. तो यहाँ पे आप वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. So we get the P is equal to V into V square upon